Man.
Which Batman?
Dark Knight.
Dark Knight, bro. Oh man.
That's
Yes, man. That's the best Joker in history.
Yep,
The best Joker.
It's only like 1,000 of these made. Look at the detail on his face.
Oh,
Yes,
look at that, dude.
That's worth a lot, man.
You already know you got the grenades. That's why I'm saying this money I was holding is that custom dollars and stuff from the movie.
Look at that.
You know, see that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's so cool, man.
So it's like crazy, man. So that was my latest piece. I just picked him up. You know what I mean? And,
hey, for those that don't know, Jake's gonna be on my channel on Thursday, so get ready for that, man. Jake's coming to the CRO show for the first time, man. For the first time. So get excited. Our homie Jake, man. Hey, you know what it is, Mr. Organic? We got the best of the best, man. Like,
the fact,
dude, come on, man.
The campaign is too strong, man, and our allies is just growing and growing. You know, it's a strong team. We like Miami Heat when LeBron and D Wade went there. Yep. We like Golden State Warriors when they got KD. That's how we playing. We playing unfair as we should. You know what I'm saying?
Damn right.
The world ain't fair, so why should we be fair?
There's nothing fair with making money. Remember that.
Definitely not. Not in America. Definitely not
Man.
in the US of A. So imagine somewhere else.
Man, that's dude. You gotta have a big army. That's what it comes down to. The
bigger the army, the bigger the victory. That's just life. That's all the war. So we in the wealth war right now. So our boat army is gonna be the most dedicated, the most ferocious, the most elite. We are in the wealth war, and we're gonna win.
The wealth war. I like that.
We're in the wealth war, and we got the boat army. We're gonna be undefeated.
Oh man, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. I'm super bullish, man. I'm super bullish on everything that's happening. I can't wait for this type of partnership right here, man. I can't wait for this. I can't wait for this. We're pushing for this, Mr. Voltron. We're pushing for this. We got a connection in Pepsi to help us push this.
Man,
so
we need that.
Imagine that. Imagine all of a sudden you start to see the Volt logo in Pepsi cans. Oh my God, bro.
Top level is coming. Like I know what I'm saying, we gotta manifest greatness. We gonna say it's already here. I can already see it.
We got December the Demarco bag. Let's see if this works.
Oh yeah, we should be good.
There it goes.
Now there we go.
Good.
Salute, man. Appreciate you, gentlemen, for having me, man.
Oh yeah, from the seed.
Welcome to the CRO show, man. How you been?
CRO show.
I've been chilling, man.
Hey, look right there, buddy. The CRO show. You see that? Subscribe and smash that like button. Not financial advice. What's up, man? How you been, December the Demarco?
Just cooling, man. You know, checking these markets out, looking at this, info that's coming on a macro level. You know, watching out for this Fed meeting tomorrow. You know, seeing what these numbers gonna look like. But I'm expecting, a pullback, so we getting the bags ready. To buy the dip, man.
Oh, there you go. You see that, guys? Positivity. Man, oh man, this guy's all about making money.
You got
doing the bearish market and doing the bullish market, man. He don't give a damn how the market looks. He's gonna make money.
How you do it?
I love it. I love it.
That's what the smart money doing right now. They shaking out, the paper hands. They trick them out their spot basically. They push the prices down. Hope to scare you off, and then here they come scooping up everything for the low. And then once the price shoots back up, then they make their money right there.
Hey, December the Demarco.
Oldest trick in the book. Oldest trick in the book. You know what I'm saying? Get the water bloody. Everybody jump out and they dive in head first to the bottom.
Oh man, what do you say, December the Demarco? You do some TA for us here in the show for Ethereum, because I'm trying to load up on some ETH, man. I want to load up on some ETH.
And what about Polygon, man? Stop that stuff, man.
Get out of here with your damn Polygon.
Come on, man. I love Polygon, man. Come on.
Hey, until I buy Bolt with Polygon, I don't. You know what I'm saying? Until then,
might be soon with the bridge.
It's soon. All right, man. Just share the screen right here in the bottom. Share the screen and give us some TA on Ethereum, bro. Because I got like 100K laying on the side, waiting to buy a big ass dip on Ethereum. So I kind of want to see what kind of technical analysis you got for us, man.
Okay, let me get this screen up real quick.
Oh, we lost power, probably lost battery. He forgot to plug in his shit.
Oh yeah, how power gonna ride the power? Ain't that a bitch?
Hey, Voltron, when is the beard coming back, bro? The color.
Oh, brother, I got my next appointment in like a week. You know what I mean? I gotta try to maintain. It's a difficult situation, but next week is gonna get revoltified.
Hey, how December? How is everybody talking about your M8, man? Is that like a big thing that keeps popping up in Vegas?
Oh, it's I8.
Oh, the I8, yeah. It get a lot of attention, man. It definitely do. A lot of people, I look over in traffic, they taking pictures, all type of stuff going on.
Yeah, they spreading the campaign for you. That's what it's all about, man. People don't understand, like, that's marketing, that's promotion, that's it pays for itself. You know what I mean? That costs a lot of money for somebody to get that type of car and wrap it for somebody else. If you're doing it yourself, that's marketing budget, put to use. People don't understand those parts of the game. So you smart for that for sure.
Oh yeah, appreciate it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so we we finding some support here in this we're looking at ETH right now. So we got some support right here in this 1,080 range. I don't know if y'all can see that clear enough.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes the price will push a little bit below it, but overall we can see that's where we're finding support. And then we just take and look for our resistance areas. This range here. What chart are we on? Okay, so we're on a day chart. So let's move to the 4-hour chart.
You see how he didn't do a 5-minute chart, guys? Come on, don't look at the damn 5-minute chart.
All right, you're gonna leave your head.
It's too quick. It's too if you're like day trading and you're right there with your finger on the trigger trying to scout kind of, then that's okay. But if you're in this for the long term, an average everyday investor doesn't understand how to make those quick plays like that. So it's best to just kind of buy dollar cost average over time and just let your position build up, and it'll pay off. Like I said last time, timing the market beats trying to time the market.
Oof! So, look at that. We just heard that message. Look at that.
That's law. That's law of a smart investor. That's just law.
So right now we're trading between this 1,029-ish range, 1,000 range to this 1,269. Right now, of course, we're in this downtrend. Prices found support, so this will be considered a good place to load up. Why? Because you see in the chart, we normally see what's called an impulse, which is this push up. Correction is the pull back. Impulse is the push up. Correction is the pull back. So naturally, what's to come after that correction is another, impulse. So, it could, do a little one of these right here. You can never call it just perfectly, but that's kind of one of the principles you want to use, just like some basic TA. Now, for the next levels, it looks like, if we break out of this range, of course, if we fall lower, we'll tap right around here. You always want to look left in the chart. That's how you get the idea of where the price is likely to kind of go back to. So you just take a look left in the chart and see the areas that kind of stand out. So we see here, price is saying it wants to kind of push down around this 901 range. And if we look left around here, price is saying it wants to kind of touch around this 14-ish 15 range. See, we're finding some support and some resistance in this area. So this is a key area that we want to pay attention to if we break out of this channel here. So once you see the price start to test in this area, in the next impulse, if it breaks out, then we know likely that the price will push to here. And when it does that, people that already understand these charts, they're already ready to take profit. That's how they always know how much profit to lock in. And they'll wait for, after they take profit, they'll, see what the price does. If it pulls back, they'll wait now until it finds this previous resistance area here where we made this double top. They'll wait for that to use that as a support. And that's when we know to buy in again. So that's what it's looking like for the short term, around that 9 range, around 870s if it gets, the worst. And if we see some type of bullish breakout, it's looking around that 15 range. Now we got to fight through those ranges before we can start calling anything really bigger.
I like it. What do you think, Voltron? What do you think, brother?
I mean, yeah, if you've been watching the market, that's like, I'm saying that the normal rhythm right now is going up, it's going down, but it's not going too big. It ain't been doing that in a while. So if you could catch those breaks from especially from 1,000 up to that 1,500, you're gonna make some good money. And especially if your dollar cost averaging down, which most people should be doing right now. That's the most important thing, is trying to get your average down for that big bull run that's gonna happen eventually. We don't know when, but when it does, you want to be prepared for that. You want your dollars down. So yeah, that's what most people should be paying attention to. Is how to
get our boy Che. Big shout out to Mr. Che. He's the one that got the SUV all wrapped up.
Oh yeah, Crypto Clay.
Yep.
Salute. And see, if we look at the RSI as well, the relative strength index, that tells us right now that Ethereum is extremely oversold. Anything under that 35 level is once it starts becoming oversold. And above that 70 level is when we know it starts to be, you know, it becomes overbought. Notice how when the price pushes up here, right around 70 in the RSI, we can correlate that to the top of this point in the chart as well. And right after it hits there, that's when people know, okay, it's getting expensive, it's overbought, let's start to take some of those profits off. And then the price pulls back, and where we are right now, we're at a 29. So that means, you know, ETH is really oversold. Now, could it go further? Yes, of course it always can. If some type of negative catalyst pops up like tomorrow, you know, it could wick down a little further. But for the most part, this is a good entry. You know, you give it a week or two and prices will be above this point.
That's good information right there, man. A lot of people need to understand that. Change some lives, man.
The crazy thing is, like, I don't know how many of you guys trade Ethereum, but Ethereum is a good one to be trading, you know, because you're over there taking profits at 1,500 and you're buying it at 900, man. That's a massive run, man. That's massive.
Yeah, especially you got a good like super chunk to throw up in there, boy. You're gonna play with some good numbers.
Yeah. Now, if you're trading $200, it don't matter for you, but you know, don't even bother. Just buy Volt. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, don't even bother with
big
the big boys. Yeah, this is for the big boys, man.
Facts.